Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greeting everybody, guys. Today we will continue to speak about the Japanese yen. Well, in general, today I have taken a look again at the different currency pairs, but again, nothing special. Besides yesterday, the first speech of the new Federal Reserve Chairman, the Yellen, has impacted a bit on the market, since she has expressed the total support of the former course of the predecessor, as Ben Bernanke, policy of accommodative policy to the United States economy. The markets have reacted positively on this speech, and across the board, even the stock market has risen with the gold market in the same direction. That's not very often you can see when the gold market grows simultaneously with the stock market. The same stands on the different currencies, and in fact this speech has impacted and slightly corrected the normal development of the technical picture. So if we take a look at the Japanese yen, on the daily time frame chart, I did not see any surprising action. In fact, market has shown small upward candle to the upside. So all that we have spoken about yesterday is still valid. So we still think that market could reach this area, and that is the minimum target of the weekly pattern, and so on. Some brand by the buy on the weekly time frame chart is 103.65 area, but intraday development, the intraday behavior has changed slightly due to the speech of the new chairman of the Federal Reserve. So if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, recall that we yesterday expect, since market already has completed the very short-term targets, that was the confluence resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart, including the major 3.8 resistance, 102.54 area. That is also the 1.618 extension of that A, B, C bottom pattern, and the normal technical behavior suggests that market should show retracement to the downside right from that area. But yesterday's speech and support of the current course of the Federal Reserve has led to this some shy positive reaction. The market has created new high, slightly higher than the previous top. But in the normal development, this shouldn't happen, because market already has hit all targets that stands and exist around this area. That's why I can't exclude that we will get some sort of the retracement after that. So maybe we could get still could get retracement from this area. Also take a look that we have this bearish divergence with the MACD indicator on the 4-hour time frame chart right at the significant resistance, right, and at 1.618 ABCD target. So that could be some retracement to the downside still, and we probably will try to use it for taking the position right to the 103.65 area. So if we take a look at the hourly time frame chart, you'll see that our first target, first destination of the possible retracement down stands around the weekly pivot point, since weekly pivot point has been tested yet within the current week, and this area is surrounded by the fib levels. So that is also confluence support on the hourly time frame chart is 101.80, 101.95 area. Okay, so that will be rather strong support. If we take some Fibonacci expansion here, this is not for the target estimation but for a support estimation. Well, the 161 stands slightly higher, the 100% stands right here. Well, anyway, some retracement to the downside is possible, because market already has played out this recent speech of the Yellen, and currently it could return to the normal technical development. So anyway, guys, for taking the long position, it's better to buy some deep, and I suspect that we still could count on some retracement right here to the weekly pivot points. Market could return right back down, test this area, and we will watch for possible long entry to take the short-term long position around this level. Well, that's all that I would like to say on the Japanese yen right now, because on the euro currency market also has shown some shy upward action, but still it stands in the wide consolidation that we have discussed on the weekly research. Other currencies also do not give us some precise and clear patterns for immediate trading yet. So all that we could do right now is waiting for them, and maybe on the Japanese yen we will get them first. Also, guys, this could be some sort of the reversal head and shoulders pattern on the Japanese yen that could get the market the direction in the short term. So if market will form some sort of the right shoulder here, that could be reverse head and shoulders that could give us the A, B, C bottom that we have discussed yesterday with the target approximately around 103.65. So let's see what will happen. I hope that market will give us opportunity for taking the long positions on